Hi friends, I am going to introduce an easiest online teaching application. So we all are familiar with online teaching and all by the last 1.5 years, and there are different platforms that we are using. Different learning management systems such as Moodle, G Suite, Google Classroom, etc., as well as a video conferencing or for live class we are using mainly Google Meet, then Zoom, etc. And this particular learning application, or more specifically a learning management system, which is made in India, very easy to use and having so many advanced features that we teachers require in our daily classroom teaching. So the most promising features are we can conduct live classes using this particular application. We can record our class as and when needed. We can take attendance. There is a provision for automatic marking of attendance. You need not worry about taking attendance. Then we can conduct tests and assignments. So these are some of the most prominent features. Now let us see in more detail. So the most promising aspect of this learning application is the facility for a one-touch go live. So just by clicking on go live button in the application, you can go live. You can take live classes. And you need not wait to enter your students as in Google Meet and all. Either you share a passcode, etc., or you have to join them individually. But in this app, you need not worry about that. All students, once enrolled in your class, they can directly enter into your live class. And the second feature, another very important feature as far as a teacher is concerned, because the classes of teachers, the live classes, whether it is in a traditional class or in an online platform, class in an online platform, once we complete the class, when we finish our class, and the class will go on forever. There is no recording in our traditional class as well. There is only some doubt clearing or clarification is there. There is no scope for retaking. Students will not be able to go back to your class again in a traditional class also. But in this particular application, when you are on live, you can record your class. And the recording of the class will be available in the application for later reference. And moreover, many students in our classes may not have proper internet access, and they can get your class later on when they get access to internet, because your entire class will be recorded and stored in this particular application. That's another most important aspect of this particular application. Then automatic attendance. Always we teachers are more concerned about attendance of students, and students also, they are also very particular about attendance. But in this particular app, when you are using this particular application, then there is no worry about attendance. Once students enrolled in the classroom, then when they enter in your live class, automatically the attendance will be marked. So it's and you can download the attendance of students on a weekly basis and on monthly basis. Then you can share study materials as we are doing in Google Classroom, G Suite, etc. Study materials can be shared of different forms such as documents, images, then link to videos, etc. That also is an important feature. Then regarding test and assignments. Without test and assignments, we cannot assure any kind of learning. So in order to conduct test, you can conduct multiple choice type test as well as descriptive type of test. There are facilities for conducting all the kinds of tests. And what is the advantage here? For conducting tests, especially when you are using Google Forms and all, it is difficult for people having difficulty in typing, having low typing speed, etc. It will be a difficult task to type all the questions in the form, etc. And here you can simply write or type question on a paper. You can send a photo, you can take a photo and send it to your students directly. And there is provision for providing solutions for your tests and assignments. And for assignments, in addition to test, you have a facility to provide score also there at the same place, and you can have provision to provide individual feedback. So in the case of assessment also, this application is very strong. And there is a notice board. Of course, notice boards are very prominent part in our face-to-face teaching. Similarly, in this particular application also, there is a notice board. You can display different kinds of notices, so for information to students. So that also is a very important feature. Along with, there is a chat facility. You can chat with your students when you are not on live. You can chat, students can chat, or you can chat in between. That facility also is there. And there is an important provision, especially for us teachers, which is beneficial for students also. Once you enter your timetable in the application, then when you take your phone in the morning, you can see today's schedule, in which class you are having at which period and what class. All these details will be available there. And the same thing will be available for students, that you will have a class on this particular time by this teacher or this subject. So that schedule, that you can have the schedule, or if you have any arrangements, or if you want to go some additional work, or to take some leave, then also you can just look into the timetable. It is very easy. You can just click on the date, so you can see on that date which all classes having you require classes, or you have to provide some work to students as you may be on leave. So that's a very, very good feature as far as a teacher point of view, because we are not required to take a copy of our timetable along with us, because always we are having a smartphone at this time. So the timetable, once entered in this app, it will schedule all your activities and it will be very easy. So all these facilities are provided by the so-called app called as TeachMint. So it's a though it is categorized as a learning app, I prefer to categorize it as a learning management system. It is better than many of the management systems, because it is simple as well as it is free. Because the Moodle, G Suite, etc. were designed in a computer-based platform, mainly to work in computers. But this particular application, or the learning management system, is designed specifically for use in mobile phones. So it is very simple and very handy, very easy. So you can try this. Go to Play Store and download the application. You require only a phone number. When you enter your phone number, you will get an OTP, and by entering that OTP, you will get registered into the application. So you can use this. You can share with your fellow teachers, and moreover, those who are taking some private tuition and all, there is a provision for collecting fee from students as well. That also is a promising feature of this particular application. So for more information, if you required, or if you require any detailed course, I am conducting 2 courses, online courses, absolutely free, one on this Teachmin and other on Google Classroom. You can just go to the description section and you can see the link for that courses. You just register there and wait one day, you will get enrolled for the course. The course is absolutely free and you will get an e-certificate on successful completion of the course. So thank you for watching this video. Thanks for watching.